welcome back. My name is Charmaine and I am doing a video for my eyes. I already have tape on and my eyes ready, eyebrows done. I want to use the BPerfect Carnival palette. This is the Antidote and it looks like this on the inside. So really pretty, very fall. And I think what I want to go with is like green and maybe try to match this color. Maybe the color in my hair. I don't know. I think I'm going to do a lot today. So just looking at it, and I will call out the color names. Let me grab a brush. I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to go in with, okay, these two down here. So this one is Fawn and then this one is October. So I'm going to go ahead and get those started in my crease. So Fawn, I'm laying down first. And I think I'm going to take it a little bit higher up. Usually I don't like to go too high up, but I think I'm going to go ahead and go high up, almost touching my eyebrows. I know I've said before I like to leave a little sidewalk space. There is some kickback, but I do want to kind of step out of my comfort zone. Now I'm going to take Fall and just go over Fall, but not all the way up. Just here, more towards my crease area. I just went ahead and cut my crease using this Beautybay eye base in white. And I do buy the BPerfect Cosmetics palettes off of Beautybay. I don't buy them from the BPerfect website. And I'll just show you really quick. Because they have like a shipping requirement, you order a certain amount before you can get free shipping. I also bought this BH Cosmetics Low Key Love You palette. Haven't even opened it yet, but it looks like this. And I mainly bought it because for some reason these two colors, I want to do something there. And then I got another eye base because this Beautybay eye base in white is my favorite base to cut my crease. So I did take it all the way out into my inner corner because I think I want to have the eyeshadow start there. And we're going to go ahead and just jump into it. I'm going to be using these colors. So I'm going to start with green. I know for sure. Looking for a brush. So I want to start with this moss green here, and then I think I want to take it to this green and somehow transition it to like this orangey brown over here. So let's stop, or let's dip into moss. Let me see if I can use this. And I'm gonna start that at the inner corner part here. And I'm just patting it on. Kind of feel like it looks more yellow on screen, but it's definitely, oh, I guess it's like a green yellow, more green yellow than yellow green, if you remember those crayons from kindergarten. Okay, and then we're gonna take Sable and just kind of pat that here. So we're gonna pat it where the moss was, but then we're gonna kind of pat a little bit further out because I'm going to take the orangey brown orange, we'll see. So when I take the moss green, I take the moss green a little bit further out, and then that way the second color I put on top, which is Sable, is able to kind of go on top, and then they transition and they mix well because I just pat over them together. There's like an area where you'll have both of those colors and it just helps them transition. Now let's use There's not really, well, there's a deep brown in here, but it's chestnut. So I think I want to go with pecan or pecan, however you say, but I'm going to say pecan. I actually change how I say it. I don't know what makes me say it in any different particular way, but sometimes I say pecan and then sometimes I catch myself saying pecan. But this color, and then there's this chestnut brown color there that I think I'm going to use. I know I just want to deepen up the outside. Does this palette, so this BH Cosmetics palette that I was talking about, maybe I can use this. Let me see if there's a deep brown in here. So this isn't a deep brown, this is more like a burgundy color, kind of like my dress. We'll see. So let's just start taking, actually let me take cinnamon, which is next to pecan, cinnamon pecan. So this color, I'm gonna take that first into the green, and then I'll deepen it up with pecan to help transition. So I'm gonna pat it there. Kind of looks like the October color I put down, but it's not. And my tape is lifting a little bit. Okay, so now that I have cinnamon on, we're gonna go into pecan because that's a little bit deeper, and I really want the outside to be more brown, so I might have to find another palette. Okay, so we have cinnamon on there, and let's dip into chestnut, which is that, it's more like a, looks like a grayish brown. We're gonna add that to the back here and see. Okay. And when I deepen up the outside, I actually, so the part that's in my crease, I go up to here, but I don't go past that area. I only deepen up like the outer edges. Let's deepen it up some more. And just in case you're wondering, I bite my lips a lot when it starts getting to like the colder months and my lips are constantly getting chapped. I find myself constantly like biting at my lips, like, because they're not feeling too smooth right now. Okay, so there's that. Let me take, I don't even know how to say this. Let's just go into, it's called Aubergine. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's this color here that kind of matches my dress. And I'm gonna take that at this point here, just right here. We're the green, so we're sable and cinnamon pecan we're meeting. Okay, so just right there. And do I want to take, there's a color here, it's like a glitter color, it's called Venom. I could take Venom. I want to add glitter. So this is Venom here, and I want to put that on top of Moss here. Okay, and then we have the color Let's see, what's close to Nectar? I'm not gonna change Nectar, but we can go over a little bit. So I did take a little bit more and just tap my brush into Nectar. And I'm just tapping that here so we don't lose the green. All right, and then like the last thing that I need to do is just do my mascara and my eyeliner. I don't usually do lashes when I'm going to work because that's just an extra step and it takes me a lot longer than I would like. Lashes for me are more on the weekends when I have that extra time if I'm going to go out or do something. So I'm not putting any lashes on, I'm just going to do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done my face, finished off my eyes, but while I was looking in the mirror, I kind of want to do this gold. I'm a little concerned because I don't want to mess up the look, but I do want to add this gold on there. Let me just put it on my hand. So I kind of want to add in gold. What do you think? Let's see. I probably won't do too much, just here. So let me see if I can do this without screwing up. Okay, so that's it. I started it here in the inner corner where I started that green eyeshadow, and then I only took it back to where the green ended. And I'm gonna leave it at that before I start messing it up. Y'all, I came back and said this is a completed look and then realized at the end I forgot to do my lipstick. So I did my lipstick really quick and I used this Jordana Quick Liner Ruby Stone color. And then I had put on this Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the color Wine with Everything, number 525. But it wasn't deep enough, or I just wanted to be a tiny bit deeper. And so I added this Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in 477 Black Cherry. So I mixed these two on my lips. Now this is a completed look. Go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the look. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.